Useful shortcuts for Photoshop. Before we go, don't forget to follow us. When you create a new shape, you can't make it perfect. To make it perfect, just hold Shift. If you want it to be in the center, hold Alt plus Shift. If you just hold Alt, you will stretch it. If you want to duplicate any layer, you can just hold Alt and hold the layer. If you want to select more than layer at the same time, hold Ctrl and click on the layer. If you want to select all layers, just hold Shift and select the first layer with the last layer. To group the layers, you have two ways. The first one is by clicking on the folder icon. The second one by press Ctrl plus G. Another way to duplicate layers, just press Ctrl plus J. If you want to merge layers, just click Ctrl plus E. You can duplicate layers by hold Alt and hold the layer. You can also duplicate masks by holding Alt and hold the mask. If you press Ctrl plus Z, you will undo one time. If you press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z, you will undo as many times as you want. If you press Ctrl plus Shift plus Z, you will redo. If you press Ctrl plus T, you can resize it. And you know how to resize it since we talked about Shift and Alt. You can use two ways to make clipping mask. The first one is this. The second way is by press Ctrl plus Alt plus G. If you want to delete layers, simply select them and press Delete. Let's make a selection. Press Ctrl plus Backspace. The backward layer is the color we select to color the selection. Press X to switch colors. If you hold Ctrl and press on the layer here, you will make a selection by the shape of the layer. If you create a selection on any layer, you can move the part you selected. You can cancel selection by press Ctrl plus D. If you press D, you can get back the black and white color. Now if you want to export your photo, just press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus S. From this menu, you can select how you want to export it. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to follow us.